sister. I don't know. Is that elder sister or younger sister? I don't know. But a bitch. What's it then? Won't penny Emma Muslim be ye present. Ewo Ghana ha. Na mami, if you see your dear Ghana, your dear. Na 2028, unim. The boy nimu. Now you got the nerve. Ebe pia bonten say. U makramuni embedi president da. What the one si ubu na nkramofo ni a minority. Enye wa during 2024 elections. In sema sebi yenu anom nkramofo bi pie ekafa abahomia ho no. Na ama wo that audacity. Awo ebony neka late ebony si old school fool. Utimi nya the audacity pia bonten beka se wo ma bahomia embedi freze. Mami, ya to ama bahomia o. Yes, small benyansafo nwa na montenten. Alhaji Mahmoud Bahomia no. He is a sellable person. That's why we voted for him. And he brought out 41%. And I'm going to show you, say, may God leave us to live and see 2028. Bahomia will be sworn in as the next president of Ghana. May you live to see that day. So may share video ni we numu kasa. Mami, oh sorry, I for wedru and sawati. I didn't want to respond to you, but it's sickening. Say, Mami, awa yaso wa kwatena America. Na wa bafi. Na nka obesua nyansa na nkwala esua bibi wo ho no wugina ho na wo kase sebi obi a wabodam amento sebi obi a na adwene nye adwuma wo sore ya fa wadru ke wo se wo Kenya sesem na the youth no they should learn something from you wo kasa na ye time eyare ho nam se sofo system poni wo brother ye sofo nka wo brother anya sofo mpa nke enyo mami Bahomia, ultimately is a son of Chevron. Also been past things worse than what you are saying. But God has fulfilled his promise over Bahomia. And everything that God has said about him, it surely will come to pass. And I'll be praying for you to live to see that victory. You are mad. Next time, don't do that hate speech. Religious speech, ethnic speech, cleansing. My sister, it doesn't matter where the person came from. We need a person that we can sell the Ghanaian will buy. What do you say? And he say MPP for ya kwato aba amalaji ba mulu ba ya man a second chance. Say the man and kufa do about kufo. Na say hawa ultimate commit suicide. That wakaza na mono uko commit suicide what do we lose? We lost nothing. But I am here say we di enkramofo nyina atem. You are insulted all the Muslims. But life in Tabani. During 2024 elections, someone cramophone be PF a kafa bahomia hono. And now my old bitch where you got that audacity to come out and say this kind of this. See where maybe I will go a video to come back there and apologize to all we Muslims in Ghana. Where do you not them? Tazagemu duka Muslimi. Wanga so for mo kachia. Eh? Wannan sofo mokaciya ba cika mahaban gato ranki yo ba zo azara ba wannan baci ba mami ko shaya wasu rafa wadru wate awala aboda.
Yes, abusian for me church mu nyina ama mu nyina akwa abasonko e de mobile platform we so me ma me miss be me akwa aba pa see greetings Ras Media, congratulations to us all. Congratulations to you too, mama. Ya boy juma pa ya kokompa, ya di nkunimu pa. Ya da yankopon ase. Se juma ye anye kwa. Na mesanso da wase se wama congratulations na ba. Me da se pa. Me ma me da na pia. Wonso me chia ye pa. Me mwajo e wo babi wo bia. Ya mami okasa yi ye frene mami Musa. Ya mami Musa. Oyam pipini kese pa. Oyam pipini kese a sabio enam yewura Dr. Bawumia campaign kura pontino o sheda ko Ghana ekoye campaign mami we enelen came me to one of the regional communicators menene year program for some times, not all the time but for some while ena bibi atwaye but mami yam people ni pa o sanso eye ceremony mami we atwaba e de amam people amanyoko nye na no 2024 inkwa but all the previous years otwaba Tuabana or to the MPP amanyoko. Na MPP amanyoko na apart from 2024 any 2028 ye roba omia na eba bedi animu a sebio ono ene ye sebio sremni
Well,
enipa a omo adi MPP amanyoko na nimu nyira no omo ya akamfo yenya yewura je ekufo yenya yewura dubu ahe ena yenya yewura na nado danko akufo ado nanso no yente se sebio sremfo binom asori agina aka se yente ase ma akamfo eni yenso saa nso na sebio MPP amanyoko no maami Musa oye Muslim watoba ma MPP amanyoko no all the time MPP amanyoko no mo wana waba bedi animu up to now omo ye Christopher nko a on the exception of Dr. Bawumia in 2024 yewura dubu ahe no ye sabio Kristoni yewura je kufo ye Kristoni yewura kufo ado nso ye Kristoni enso menti kramoni bi ogina ba bi o kam se onte ase emma a Kristofo ana Kristoni enni ono kramoni so asem we ya pa se ubenya maami we a ogina ho ya o se o belong to can say elect means be when you so boami with the brofono se ubenya maami we ogina ho se she belongs to the elite family IFN Duncan Williams family saa nkrofo we nom na na bomo so aga na man na amfa ne ntoma pamfra no we nom omo asefo omo adi de wo man no mu since Kwame Nkrumah breso ena jimi ene nkwase asem adokru wo tim obi a wo se wo free an elect family yan kan se wo free abusua a ejina brane mudi bre ana se mo agi din ogana man mo maami we edi otan honhom bi aka nsem bi afọ yewura Bawumia eho a atin se babia maame no wo bia no she must to bend down her head in shame oh he ade bia no yesi bibia obetiri wo wiase bia wo asechire saa maame we ni wia ene Duncan Williams yenyina yenim asem a Duncan Williams ba eba abonten ebe kan ye edifa ne papa ho concerning yewura Bawumia yenyina yenim se Duncan Williams ankasa ne baba ebegyina abonten eka ma yenyina yete se ne papa ene asofofo binom edi nkomo ewo sumase se omonte ase makramoni emma na oma medi Ghana mayanim eyewura Dr. Bawumia in 2024 na amanfo eka se dabi asem na akura ne kana akura ne yare akura na adwiri nya adwuma wa bodam eni nti oka asem etesa ye kan de enim nyina Ghana fo binum se enye no kore enne agya oba o maami dwifire ntwe jimi maami we na nim se bi oprakwa animi a wo so ye Kristoni ne wia a ye fa ne Duncan Williams a oye criminal a wabokro no ama ye twa ne nsa baako Duncan Williams a ntunhyemu na oye ono ni sister a ye fa ne Victoria Duncan Williams etimbe gina bontene kase ono no said your tie ni said your wayo yi on trase emma kramoni emma medi Ghana for yenso because a Christopher ne dosu o Ghana maimu ye 75% and nkramofo so 25% and 5% na aka ne ye sabio other religions there enti ono no on her command by authority on Tiasiama Dr. Bawumia ma medical na president da emma ne ye abusia asem we na Victoria Hammer Victoria Duncan Williams na maame ka asem we ye no amaye nyina ya te ho ase se Mike Van Ofori mo akwa papa what to say very long time asɛm wɔ ya maame kan yɛ ama ya kai asɛm bi a esi da bi abra Duncan Williams ankasa ne ba ɛba abɔnten ɛbɛyi ne papa ɛho ɛkyerɛ yɛn sɛ ne si a yɛfrɛ no Duncan Williams papa kɔnfoɔ akohwini papa a ɔde nyankopɔn nsɛm abɔ korɔ no anya ne ho sɛ twɛm ɛne asɔfofoɔ akɔhwifoɔ bi nso aka ɔmo ho abɔ mu a ɔmo yɛ adwuma ɛde tia Dr. Bawumia wei na ɛtwe maso bɛsi asɛm bi so sɛ asɛm na akora no kaa ne saa bere no mu no it was a reality na ɛyɛ asɛm nɔkorɛ paa because ɛyɛ ɔtan bi a nkurasefoɔ wei nom Duncan Williams ne n'asefoɔ ɛwɔ de tie yɛwura Bawumia for no reason ɔmo reason ekita ɔmo nti ɔmo de tan yɛwura Bawumia no ɛnyɛ about religion asɛm na maame ne ka no ɔnka no korɛ ne nkyerɛ Ghanafoɔ ma yɛ nte aseɛ nɔkorɛ wɔ mu ne sɛ Duncan Williams na busuamfoɔ nyinaa ɔmo yɛ pro NDC foɔ because ɔmo yɛ CPP foɔ Duncan Williams ne papa ebenya big position in CPP so they are aligned to the CPP ɛna ɛnɛ so a yɛtuo yɛ nyinaa nim sɛ almost all the people ɔmo frɛ ɔmo ho nkromanist CPP foɔ no hwan na hwan no they are all in favor of the NDC enti saa asɛm na maame ne ka no ne maame Elizabeth Asana me mo akɔ saa asɛm na maame Kohwini wɔ yɛ ka no don't take it religious don't take it as a religious statement ɛyɛ very political ɛyɛ very very political saa asɛm na maame ne ka no she want to use that one to pollute a Christopher adwene ɛwɔ ɔmo tim saa asɛm na maame ne ka no ɔpɛ sɛ ɔmfa kwan bi so na ɔmfa nka nkyerɛ Christopher sɛ ɛho nhia ɛni kwan sɛ Kristoni ɛkɔto aba ɛde ma Dr. Bawumia but maame wɔ yɛ ogyina hɔ yi ɔne ne nua Duncan Williams ɔmo sɔre na ɔmo kɔ dwodwo ɔmo ho a ɔmo kɔ Dubai no so ɔmo kɔ no ɛyɛ kramoni ɛyɛ nkramofoɔ man enti how come sɛ wodi wo kurom ɔmpɛ sɛ kramoni bɛdi wo so but obi kurom a kramoni na ɛhwɛ so deɛ wokɔ hɔ kɔgye w'ani na deɛ ɛyɛ ne sɛ wo mpo wo saa maame wei a sɛbio ɛnyɛ cocaine deal a wokɔyɛɛyɛ ɛma yɛkyew tom ɛwɔ Amsterdam a nka wo din nka ayera ɛwɔ Ghana system mu saa maame ogyina hɔ na nim pɔfo te sɛ prɛko yɛ ɔda hɔ yi Kohwini maame kurasini sansani maame yɛ ɔda hɔ yi a asɛm efiri na no mu ba ɛɛtan te sɛ sɛbio yaane saa maame wei ni sunu ne ban ne sɛ ɔyɛ ɔbaafo ɔyɛ ɔba a ɔde nubɔne etu kwan ɛnyɛ research bi na makɔyɛ amahu yɛkye ne tum wɔ Amsterdam ama na atwa ne prisons as when can say service awie enti it is an evidence ɛyɛ nɔkorɛ maame wei wayɛ koke sɛ ma yɛakye na tum ɛwɔ Amsterdam afei na ɔmo agya na yamma ni nnura nom a wadane bɔda nim ba obia mfa na hɔ ɛna ɔnam Ghana ɛna ɔyɛ propaganda de ma NDC because NDC amanyoko no deɛ enkwasiafo na ejimifoɔ bebree no enkwasiafo na ejimifoɔ nko a ɛna ɛdɔm saa ko no because enkamen ti aseɛ da sɛ wo Duncan Williams papa panyina wanyina duru sei Kohwini barima ɛte sɛ wo a watra Ghana man mu de Bible nsɛm adada maamefoɔ ahiafoɔ wɔn a wɔn ni bie wɔde Bible akyinkyin wɔn nsa gye wɔn ho sika nyinaa ɛde ayɛ sikani na wɔnwene obiara ho na wɔne wo yere na ɔma mo da sɛ twɔm na wo nua baa so yɛ cocaine fa ho na ma mo anya mo ho na motimi kodi holidays wɔ Dubai baabi akramoni na ɛhwɛ soɔ na mokɔ san ba bɛtena Ghana man mu sɛ mo deɛ mo ani mu deɛ monte aseɛ da ɛmma kramoni ɛnni Ghana man so na anya bia kramoni na woka na asɛm no yɛtwa ne mogya na yɛtwa ne honam a emogya na efiri ba ne kala te sɛn miwia ɔsɛyɛ ntɔne me wakɔ aba kramoni na mo ka na asɛm no yɛtwa ne honam na emogya bɛ na epie mu ba kramoni na woka na asɛm no adwene na ɛda ne tim no ɛne wo deɛ no ɛte sɛn kramoni na so man medi yɛn so no ɔnkɔyɛ nnurosɛm da ɔmfa adubɔne ntena mpire mu nkɔ baabi ada kramoni na woka na asɛm no ɔnyɛ kohwini te sɛ wunua panyin na yɛfrɛ ne Duncan Williams a ɔde asisire ne korɔ no ɔde asisire ne korɔ no agya ne ho sɛ twɔm na obi anka hwe nkyerɛ no kramoni na woka na asɛm no ɔnkyekyere ahiafoɔ nsa ngu wɔ mu ti ɔmo akyi kramoni na woka na asɛm no adwene da ne tim ne ndie da ne tim no wo ne wabusiamfoɔ nyina yɛka mo bɔ mu a munya fa no wonder say you go and mama me speak kan say okra no na ohyɛ Canada Japan atade say we campaign the Canada Japan na ɛna da bia American Kennedy sa papa we mintumi nkasa nyina asɛm mfiri mu da yesi ato aba wie ye reconciling. Now, I don't know why Canada Japan will always associate himself with enemies of our party. I don't understand. Yeah, quarter about 2023. Yeni ba ya musuna Canada Japan de MPP delegates abon e de akwa akoma Maria Amakwa Boadu NDC ni by 4 bar. Na no abaya ye ba betu Duncan Williams ni aba na ye campaign de Canada Japan enipa yenim so mo ye NDC for from their childhood sa nkrofo we na Canada Japan de ne ho kobo won na mo ye campaign na mo say party na mo gu party na nimase ene wo nkwase asem we ya afna we mefre na afna me maame estake bari maame mo akwaba afna we wo nkwase asem ene watumi akata na ni ka kire MPP amanyoko na ye ya pa Matias ye die ntia Canada Japan lusu ye because enkrofo na maame urosimo akwaba enkrofo na papa no kosesa won begu ne ho so ne omoye campaign no they were all noise makers they didn't go na omo ye speech say sa maame we enipa wanyina drum pempenso we ya wo since aye wo mepem ne unim se nkramofo ne nkristofo esremofo ne akamfo ya tena Ghana man mu emfie ahodo bebrenie obia there has never been any religious fight bia among us Ghana man mu nko na maame a wanim se preko unim se asori si ha na kramodan esi ha Ghana na unim se eduru sala eduru sesa bio nkramofo ye won esom afahya omo ne ye kristofo na kyeye saa na eduru bronya ene na asefo a yenso ye ni nkramofo ya ene chef ekyeye ena me no kase wasante nkramo because nkramofo ene kristofo ya wagwade ye ho a ye kreti abusua ahodo ye tie ba bia asundwem unim yani obia ni asem somosom amensom na me ko school say na ye classroom siricho chei Yakubu chei Mustafa Muhammad nkroba mi schoolmate nkramofo bebre enso na ye ko Christopher CAC preparatory and international school eye Christopher school pa so na ni nkramofo nyina na eche kosa school no yani obia ni asem enti se nka wo ye obi a kwanya ofa so kasa to say you are talking on authority say the usikasa say you are talking on authority and say you want to say you have some power in the society say no kure pa dia ɛwɔ sɛ nka mmom no ɛna ɛwɔ sɛ nka wo nka nsɛm binom a ɛde nka bom bɛbra akristofoɔ ɛne nkramofoɔ ɛwɔ yɛ society no. Pacho Rose mante deɛ woka no ase yie o. Sɛ maame wei woyɛ nyansafo ɛyɛ badwen ba a ɛwɔ sɛ nka wo mmom na nka ɛwɔ sɛ wo nka nsɛm a ɛde nka bom ɛbɛba ɛwɔ nkramofoɔ ɛne akristofoɔ mu. Because nkramofoɔ ne akristofoɔ nyinaa yɛ Nyankopɔn ne ma ne bia. Nkramofoɔ ɛne akristofoɔ nyinaa yɛ Nyankopɔn ne ma. Na maame wo enam sɛ woyare na bibi ha wo cocaine na bɔ wo ti mu adubɔne na wura wo na nyansa na awe wo te sɛ deɛ nyansa bɔ akokɔ no dunso abɔ akokɔ no wontumi nwene nkɔ w'anim. The constitution of the country there na oka. You want to call? Okay, if you want to talk or you can talk, I can give you time to talk, and after you finish, I continue with the interview, with what I'm talking about. Okay. Intupa upa de frenamen foul. Upa frenamen foul nakasa. Mami Rose. Pacho mutemi yepa. Ghana mra nimfo no Ivan Sankami ya mwakwaba. Ghana mra kesiye no ye frene the constitution of the country no. Echiremu pefe enipa obetimi di president. Asem na constitution ne kano. Enum bom na yen Ghana for de begyina so ato aba. Enye de wo drug dealer like you, the obeka. Enye na de begyina so ato aba. Because se enokre pass ye beye nipa nyiyimu wo Ghana mamu a enka wo ne wabusua, especially you and your brother. I was saying ke yakum mo edmo free Ghana mamu because momo ye the cost of the poverty in the country. Bon kwasia preachings. En kwasia preachings a wonu umia obra panyine te Ghana oyo. A oma amamfo nso de nkopa adwuma nye. Na da bi osora nkwasia preachings na oyo. Monday to Sunday. Asem na constitution ne kano. Eno na Ghana for the begyina so akwakoyi omampanyine e de ama Ghana man in 2028. Constitution ne kire se obi bi oye Ghana ni. Constitution ne kase obi bi oye Ghana ni no. Wan kase Ghana ni kramoni anase Ghana ni Kristo ni. Osi every Ghanaian enti kohwini ba suanyansa na sua kasa e woni padomanim. Microphone ba wanim a enye wo te second de Japan. A microphone ba to nanim a na onhu de onka na wa hye na auto ayampia. The constitution say every Ghanaian wan kase Kristo ni, wan kase kramoni, wan kase akani anase sabio, wan kase sabio dagomba anakusa se anaboke yenka ne se mamprusi ni osi every Ghanaian. And that is for your collection. Suenyansa. Constitution says so kire se ye kase Ghanaian na Ghana ni eni nipa ne maame ne papa eye Ghana for. That is the first. Yes, ye kase ye kanso se Ghana ni de ne maame ne papa ye Ghana omo ye Ghana for. Dr. Lahaj Muhammad Bawumia ye nim say he is a pure Ghanaian because the constitution says a Ghanaian is somebody, a man or a woman who is born by parents omunyina omoye Ghana for. Dr. Bawumia ne maame ne papa ye Ghana for. Dr. Bawumia is a Ghanaian 100%. Enti ni kwankura say ye the other articles consider a human being to be a Ghanaian. And the constitution actually say Dr. Bawumia eye nipa ye betimi ato abama no mane di Ghana man so mana ye. Constitution it say we say nipa na nya hwe onya 45 years. Ye wura Bawumia e wo more than 45 years. These are reasons udi gina so ka say Any kwan say yen to abamfa mo bia ye beti ase. Now that myopic manner of thinking, that useless manner of thinking. I would say my young koto about my Dr. Bowman because we Cremonino. Ghana ni bia no wade beto ne tim. Ghana ni bia bon so we bodamu ni ba because you are even talking against the constitution. And secondly, we will be a new kwan say you for serious because one sem na wo kano e betumi akoso a very significant conflict, internal conflict. Ye nim se de besi akwa wie. Enti mamu ye kohwini kase pa. Wono bra panyina motumani asi ba omiaso, mu ye akohwifo. And second, obi bia ni won kan kire say obi bia na waka kire say ema wo nsom wo som a wo som ana obi bia na waka kire say ema wo nsom wo ndc ko odi akire. Go and be with your NDC. Ye die nim say wo NDC ni. Keep on with your NDC job. Cause na your campaign for my NDC no. But mami, me say get away from issues concerning the MPP because you are not part of the party. Neither you or your brother, neither you or your family members. Mu ye NDC fo ankasa nim say mu ye NDC fo. Enti mame, mind your business. Okasa okaye eye hatred. Okasa okaye eye conflictual expressions. Okasa okaye ensem fata nipa wanyini aduru sabio mpempen so amame wei wanyini aduru. So wa futuo bi edema enipa koma Duncan Williams na sorry for man koma wona futuo say de omo ye ne obra na so dan mu ho no eye sabio agimi sem eye obra e na edidi won ho eye obra na edi omo etwa won te sa be ka kire won omo nte omo ho ase say eduru say ye beto aba obra de na sorry for ko NDC for ko jisika akohwifo abusua wo Duncan Williams wan na enimo na wo maame ewo na wo betenke de amagana for wo ko drug addicted like you kromfo ba kohwini ba maame panyina wanyina duru say ya wo mfere wakoda afiase amfie du na wo mfere nkope babem fo wani mu nkosie na wo ba abonten ebe kan kwase asem e de akire o man Ghana. Now, I mean, some of the journalists, I don't know what is wrong with them. Journalists now, kita microphones, omuko event, ase, eko kakasano. I don't know what is wrong with them. Kwasi ampanyi ni biya the microphone si na nimso ankasa. Jimmy biya na ama the microphone camera na yitwa no. Nankanye sa, nka how can this myopic woman come out and talk against Dr. Bawumia? Umia Duncan Williams, senka Dr. Bawumia dwene dani tim okitamu fa nkanye ne se wadane enipa dasani emmoa e wona sori ma eye won na wodidi won so kohwini ba oba sabio won fere ade maame a yachewa to prison enam inuruboni nti maame a wadi boni enti se ai wo se nka mfo wani mu nsie na wo mfere ade na wo suro bia nti wonam abonten na wo kasa nso a wo nkanyansa kasa. You should be ashamed of yourself. That word was not supposed to come from your side. You should be very ashamed because mo John Dariga Dramani Mahama no koshini John Dariga Dramani Mahama papa otimbetina konwa so ema a teacher for esua ekokira ade emfie miensa na at the end of the day otu omoka bosome miensa no saa koshini no kura no wuni wunya Duncan Williams mutumi ye campaign ma ne bedi akonwa ma ne ye koshini John Dariga Dramani Mahama ne breso Cocoa bottom kwa yema hon contract $200 million. Edeman ni yire mame Lordina Mahama. Emani di sika fuchu. Ono kwa na moto aba emani bedi Ghana manso. Papa said be only mamma na breso. Common ambulance purchase ebeye problem and ne finance minister ko bo okro no enti se eno kra moto aba man oba yeyi ato force se onye bone koshini John Daragadra mani mahama ne breso ukoyi 50 Ghana kra de free Ghana your own account ma na ye ntokwa na ye bro na ye tietiaw eno kra no koshini ma me enti se wo uni wunwa koshini no kromfo Duncan Williams no motena ase ye campaign man se onfa omra mediga na man so na enye Dr. Bawumia why vice president mfia nwotwe na up to now obibia ni wotu begina bonten aka asemboni bi afa na wo se papa we bokro no wo ha papa we ye conflict of interest wo ha kohwini na wase wano ene otachirema abegina bonten miwia Samuel Okono mo akwaba abegina bonten se o ba begu Dr. Bawumia ho fin. Hey, Mwanfa ye kura. Me say until say Dr. Baye president 2029. Wa benum unu bone bia. Amana fa utim. Wa benum unu bone mana fa utim. Na obaye wadwene say Dr. Bawumia mom e na wo de no e ba baye sabio o comedy no ma me papa yem fa ho nchokura ye ma me musa efro me fa ye ma me Rose. Hello mama. Pacho temenka. Hello. Oh, I'm saying network no. Abusan for ye ma me Rose efro ma me tie na sema wo ka kire yen. No. Yes. Entina meka. Wa wunima this time obeye wadwene say hello mama.
Hello.
Bachote yenka.
Hello.
Bachote yenka.
Yeah.
Yetio. Mama. Italy. Happy Biaboko. I was what to say.
Oh, me so Biaboko, Michelle, me could ask me ever bono is.
Say.
Oh, Boko, Bahomia, I winnie ya ye na ye juma media so you timi by fear, Bibia, ye juma, ama could be a penot, yensaka.
Amen. Congratulations to everyone.
Yes, there will be a Obi otimi by few be a went to me and by social media, special, ye, you be a yame. And so Bibia, Bahomia do BBS, no my own day, who they be free 2028. Na me nuaba mama start no sa Duncan Williams the sister is here na ex convict is here na and I'm making the best start but me blame mama ne kese me blame me nuanom nkramofo a 2024 elections almost sorry enti troke kan sem efa abahomia ho no they are the part of the problem. And yes, and Kamami, we as convict is here now. We 18 Begina, go to authority, confess or no. What the hell does she think she is? What the hell does she think she is? Even Duncan Williams, what the hell Duncan Williams thinks he is? Not my becat this as convict. I walk out to came China to America 10 years. Why you useless? Why banning you now money diamond them? It's me becase oh Muslim. Mamenka, Mamin na me nua no nkramofo nkudi me no mo refi bra woko Bahrain they are the people who brought Islam to this earth. Sorry, I went to the church, the only Arabic our only Arabic Catholic church. Woko Abu Dhabi omoesi mosque ankramofo efa ne masalachi mpacho we Google na hwe omaye no the mother of Jesus mocks. Because omunim say nyina ye Abraham asefo. Na minim say Duncan Williams ebusuafo no ekan krabofo mo Ghana to that extent. They hate Muslims to that extent.
Inti me hwɛ me nuanom nkramofo ndɛ na ɔmbɛyɛ afɔ because maame no one respect yɛ nyɛ ba ɔme na ɔkasa tie no wakasa tie nkramofo nyina ɔmo wɔ Ghana na nkramofo nyina nyɛ ba ɔme ako ɔse yɛyɛ minority ɔkyerɛkyerɛ mu nti yɛmpene ma kramoni bia wate that is a generation to come they will prevent them sɛ kramoni bɛba bɛdi president wɔ Ghana na mepɛ sɛ meka kyɛ maame sɛ wokɔ Tanzania president no ɔyɛ ɔbaa Nigeria kramofo yi di president ya besi ne ɔnyɛ de ɛyɛ ade ɔmo ahyehyɛ na maame de pii na me blame no na now blame Kennedy Japan also with this nsɛm efiri ne no ba no ɛna maame no kebi she said before 2024 election said MPP for NDC for akɔyi John Mahama Srimuni na MPP for so akɔyi Bahumi Oye Srimuni sa yɛ kramoni so Kennedy Japan is part of this the evidence send people for money who the level and when people na sa esia na wa maame no me bɔ mpa ese nyame bɛma wa hode ne nkwa na wo fu se ba me ma betena Ghana kunya so be the best ever see na na ekufado and he will be successful na me catch sa maame no say Italia di be kasi of gulu paso polko pentana ba ho me ada ne na yem na Williams no bi enyina ho it's a more hate for Muslims in this country. A Muslim will be a president by the grace of God. And Yamiano, Yami Baye, and Yamaya to me on Yankutu, Baye, and Ghana for better Obama Papa no, said you two man and Kufado or better 2016. You damn old bitch. A late airborne in the car, I said, old school fool. What is that? Who ye ex-convict? Won't come on you to Bonnie, my yacht, what to 10 years to deport. Let me tell you, Brana, would die, would the wood to go to America 70s. So can see what about old bitch. Who be America say, you'll be a Muslim, you would prevent, you can never, would you, Yame? Bompire say, Yame, 2028, no, the two, Bompire mum. Yes, it's not you people are afraid of him, that's it. Your brother, so for the to say, Baumia is more intelligent than all your family.
No, of course.
Bema share dream string, digital social media, so you saw Papa or Yari, a monk or Sunny Yari. Why is she? I can be good and the million come before and make me blame on over this. They started this this rat. This is here now will never come out and say that. Yeah, twam about me, I best twam on you. Yeah, I am a kufor, I am about Nana, Papa Kufo, ya bet yam about me.
For sure.
One way yam patching cheeky. You never my only class in
it. Yes, Yamame, Musa, Rose, and a 10 in Kano. I said me upon some mammy. Me mo akwa pa ajimandua wonso me mo akwa me upon you some rokono me ma wonso akwa pa na erija hadu anisere well in any case me am say we dey no mitimi money ye ma wonso akwa pa me ma busiamfo nyina akwa ba enti ye ma me Rose ene ye ten nka no yento aso na yenko yanim na yenka de na yeka enti mon kama maame we enti ne ho ase se enye na kwan ene nyankopon akwan na se osi onu wo tumi pa se obetumi decide for who to become the president of the republic Mr. na ne bra amana omo yare no onsa omo nyina yare ne bra amana omo nyina ye omo ho ayarefo omo anu etwitwa nsuo mpese me de obi yade besere no pese de ono wo tumi na otumi di ni tumi no esi president ema oman etise Ghana man no omfa sa tumi no nko no omfa nkonkosa ne bra amana omo yare omo adana yarefo omo gudan mu omo ebinum adane obes omo aya akese omo ntimi nwura dan mu no pono da dan mu omo ntimi nwura mu no ono nkobo mpaye mu omo no omo ho nto omo so no wotumi a na the victory and the presidency of Dr. Bawumia is something that none of you can stop it. Me say number umienti Ghana asofofo mo ayo mo adwen se mo nte ase makramoni ma medi Ghana man so no. Munyira mo ni mo begu ase. Ma wie ye no. Ba omia na bema ma wie ye ebesi e wo Ghana man mu. Ba omia na bema Ghana fo nyina hu se mo ya asofofo atrofo because nkom sha mo be hye nyina no emma mu da because it is time for Dr. Bawumia. Ude yenti asama maami kaye said ya me bana me bieja na kakra gu ne so a obete ase de enti a ama me bieja egu maami so yenti emra.
What am I going to say? It's not going. Well, what am I going to say? It's not going very well for him. But I'm really, really surprised at the delegates again. I told them last time. I said, you bring Bawumia, you go to opposition. You are bringing back Bawumia. Let me tell you, and I'm saying it with authority, Bawumia will never, ever be president in Ghana here. Never. He came to destroy the MPP, just like his father destroyed UP. He has destroyed MPP. And that's the end. I'm telling you.
What's the basis for saying he won't be president of Ghana?
I am telling you. Do you want me to tell you something?
Tell me.
We are 75% of Christians. Muslims are 14%. The other religion is the other 11. So let me tell you something. When you go with the other religions, when they talk, so from there, you join the Christians. So I'll tell you something. Christian right now.
Ana omudi tirimuja na cocaine sa na wie ye na odi ko wie wo ses.
Well, what am I going to say? It's not going very well for him. But I'm really, really surprised at the delegates again. I told them last time. I said, you bring Bawumia, you go to opposition. You are bringing back Bawumia. Let me tell you, and I'm saying it with authority, Bawumia will never, ever be president in Ghana here. Never. He came to destroy the MPP, just like his father destroyed UP. He has destroyed MPP. And that's the end. I'm telling you.
What's the basis for saying he won't be president of Ghana?
I am telling you. Do you want me to tell you something?
Tell me.
We are 75% of Christians. Muslims are 14%. The other religion is the other 11. So let me tell you something. When you go...
What is the authority that this woman has? Or see, she's speaking on authority. Authority ben mami we wo. Sa cocaine ni mami we. Authority ben odo wa ono gina ho aka kire Ghana for say I'm talking on authority. Me se mami wo authority afako unwa no ni fie ho. Ne mano yare. Ne mano ebirum yare, ebirum ayom ho yare fo. Omo sori a, omo te camera nim kwasi asa na omo sa. Kwana oni omo fa utumi na ekita no kwana kosa wonyade. You don't have any authority on who becomes the president of the republic. A Christopher, enya Christopher nyina na ye tipo nkosofo te se wo ene nkrofo na mosom unwia no. It is not about religion. It is about competence. And something that I want to say to this woman. Samami we person kasamfa MPP ho a she must to be civil. Sa ntrotrasem ne nkwasi akeka ne jimi keka no. Enyam pipi for your style. Enti we kura kire se wunyam pipi ni. Wote ho ama John Dariga Dramani Mahama oye kramoni ne seneni ni eye nkramofo. Ne ma wa wo mu nyina odi nkramodin na ato won. Abeda also ye Christoni ama waji atu. Watna se woni wunya Duncan Williams. Matra say mo Jimmy for. Ama John Mahama tima darega mo. Ama mo agye atum so Kristo ni. Abro ye kramoni. Ne magina mo nkramodin ne gu omo so. Nini ne se omo nyina omo ye nkramofo. You accept Mahama, but you don't want to accept Baumia. Mame nkanchiro. Said ye mame Musa na oka no. Empire na e wo se wo mo. Because prison ho akoda ye. And ye ma boni a wo ye ne wo ho. Conditions boni a na wo tim. Ahokyere wo fam. But treatment a won saka ye. Kwanye ye fa so ye tete o sabio niema e course wo ho no. Wo kura wo nam ho yi. Ye mawuo emfa manipa. But we don't know for how long you are going to live. Nti paye na me boso obetumi atena se ewo wiasim asasi so amana kodu 2028. And so to me transema 2028 pa wo ho a you will see Dr. Bawumia being celebrated as the president of the republic. Mimi Joseph Bua me akwaba. Me say Yankopon de onkwa che wo dia, then you will see Dr. Bawumia being the president of the republic. Now, you say and you be na kuma entry boss you akọ na ho de na ho abachim se koye so na ma meto dia na ene na minim de to wo. Now what I want to say before I move on to another topic and say Duncan Williamson na busua Duncan Williamson na busua mo ye NDC for ma obia ni mu say Muye NDC for me Joseph me hoye pa. Stay away from matters that concern MPP. Stay away because enyemu zone. It is something that does not concern you. Muni mufiasem. Munkona mone mahama anko kasa. Na Ghana kuyafo kokofo na yentimi ntua wonka no. Omuntua wonka. That is what you can do with your authority that you have. Bonkona mone mahama anko kasa. Na patro na yatete so a. Musokura NDC for kura mu lucky dodo. Mu bedia konya brebia. Global economy. Esha ase bo ne ho ban. Ajibandi osi preach on. Mu NDC for mu ye lucky. Mube digana konya brebia, everything is in a perfect mood. But munim nyansanti dabiano na mukita kora enam IMF riska. Mese kona kwa kanchile John Mahama say in the international market no patroni diesel ya teso enti enye achievement wa meki. He must make sure say the agenda 111 egu wuram no obekura no. That is what is much more important. A young kwasia keka we ya na America. I don't know who are those journalists. Omo hu kwasia bia wa botai wa dress ya no omo de camera kosi na nim. Ghana journalists nim say ye wa bodamfo a omo dress. Odi ohu ni ba na no omo address onim so omo nyina adwene eye adwuma. Ebunuma address pan so omo abodam otrenum. Abusha like video na yenko yanim. Bebra abodam na omo na mo so omo address Nanka ex-convict obi a wada prison from fear to door or my be mpo anka ya ka wa baby. You don't have to go out. Now wa no ebegyina bonten e kan kwase asema ente se maame panyina wanyina duru se ma oba bia fudwere nyansa ni nyansa semu mpie wanu bu ma enkwase akeka ne ntitimu. You copying your master. Na minim said the you are working for the NDC because we NDC ni ba Yankopon hata soro ene betua woka Yankopon hata soro ene bekire wase Yankopon bemo wani magu ase ewo wo sanse mo ya wakai. We have kept it on the tape. 2028 ye bebo video we ya kire wo atisi wo oni unwie no nyina akohwifo asefo akromfo awudifo. Call your brother to come and tell us how he made all that money. Catcher Duncan Williams say Duncan Williams say o mejira bonten non kire Ghana for kwan of us so wenya ne ho se de wenya ne ho yi obokro no ana wagye collection bi no ma ana wama asɔrefoɔ no de wɔn dwetire abɛkyɛ na ana wagye amanfoɔ sika na watena so ana adan opushi amanfoɔ de ɔmo kɔ amanɔne ana ɔyɛ visa connection ana brada bɛka ne nyinaa kyerɛ yɛ na yɛnte ase. That is something important that you as a woman we are bad time, but only bad time because we are mommy bonnet. I said, mommy, papa, these are issues that you were supposed to have a concern. Mon kwasa ke kan Jimmy ke kan sa enenne money na mo a makofa John Daraga Dramani Mahama ba sebio akuafo mo na akuafo asempa sirisi me na mo sokora mo se fata se de beye mo se fata se de beye mo Medinanado ye in the cocoa sector. Ghana akuafo binom so mo hu ehu Yewura J Kufo Breso and a yehu significant changes in Ghana cocoa farming and what them call financial system. And when you say Ghana cocoa a nine so through max spray a juma kofo born cocoa foam na nya de ketwa. And so Ghana kuafo koto about the tier J Kufo because Mr. Mez so oye asumdwe ni and kwasiafo betena konwa so 2009 to 2016 adwuma J Kufo aye no kokofo mu ntino na yeti cocoa bebre omo ba ye no mo beti cocoa no hu sika kwa omo anye investment in the cocoa sector enene akufo adu samba ya cocoa na awene ne sin akufo adu samba ya adwuma ye duadua cocoa ya jump cocoa price from 600 Ghana cedis to I think how much were they buying it before Nana? How much was the price of cocoa before Nanado left office? From 600 Ghana to about 2,000 or 3,000 Ghana cedis. And so Ghana Kuafo say Mahama say they are supposed to be paid 6,000 Ghana cedis into a monko badi amano. Bema. In the history of our country, a bin sida say yebeto cocoa, yebie cocoa, na waton cocoa, na after Christmas, still I won't say nyanka usika. Na akuafo. E through Christmas, and akuafo ekoji esika de be enjoy your life. But on John Daraga Dramani Mahama ne breso. It is a history. This is a historical moment to say John Daraga Dramani Mahama nkwa abrebi obeti Ghana konwa bia a teacher for a nurse for okay me that's me Evans me that's pa Mahama da obeti Ghana konwa so bia a teacher for a nurse for enna akuafo omo ye Mahama tamfo. Yes, enemy ken Ghana cocoa before Nanado Danko Kufado buy na bag baako na ye ton 460 Ghana. Na no Nanado free so na ye to cocoa bag say. Enso ye nyan DC for mo ba bonten. Ye nyan DC for mo ba bonten say the price Nanado de man cocoa akuafo no enye sufficient. Enti ye nkoto abamfa nti Nanado. Listen to this video. When Papa Way Atuforsen was being vetted.
Having put that on record, let me go back to the issue of cocoa price per bag. In an earlier response to questions that came from the floor, my respected colleague indicated that, well, the cocoa sector is under the Ministry of Agri, and that if there is any policy realignment, he will look at it. He also indicated that he's a key advocate for cocoa farmers. He did also indicate that he would advocate for the cocoa farmer. Now, the issue is beyond advocacy. You are now the man in charge of the press, and you know the pressure on cocoa farmers. The 6,000 Ghana cedi per bag that you committed, would it be your benchmark in your advocacy and eventual decision for the cocoa farmer? Because they are listening.
And to me, I tell you, Paul. And this is for young Kwasia propaganda campaign or Modi deceive one people cocoa, Ghana cocoa for a queer for. Our Mojitu Mukoto Aba, Edema, and this no. Any power di campaign no mun kena. I know ye did the court the price of Ghana cocoa no. Aye nipa ye fene ato krom 4 John Mahama so ebedi akonwa yi. Wa money abro and o man finance minister. And the year of Fanya Mark and CB San and Papa, during your campaign time, Jimmy, I told my neighbor, Conye, what was your fat cherry? Professor made this yaman for. I told my neighbor, Quatia, I told me if you shall move, yato. One hour can so Ghana cocoa for 6,500 cedi per 1 bag of cocoa. And now I be a finance minister Ghana sika won some. Sa sika no ubetumi ediama Ghana akuafoana. Listen to the response.
Thank you, Honorable Minority Leader. You may ask another question. Mr. Chairman, cocoa money does not come to the past. The consolidated fund. Cocoa money is outside the consolidated fund. It stays with the Ghana Cocoa Board. Ghana Cocoa Board uses this money part to buy cocoa, part to buy fertilizers and other inputs. I don't know what Cocoa Board is leaving behind. I don't know the extent of arrest they are leaving.
Well, Tio, that's why I say that the NDC always try to deceive Ghanaians. Because campaign no kojina campaign platform so can say I was saying ton cocoa no 6,005. Ye bisan a question that led at the right pressure obe to me answer na eye captured in the hands of that or see onim car cocoa board or abo aguho. Entun to me nchire say oba bedi akonwa na so or wabe finance minister or no ebe to me ato cocoa not 6,005. His own campaign message before he gets to the ministerial position, vetting kekeno, ono ani campaign message ane done numa no de to nyom no. Or see, he can do that. Listen, let's keep on.
Behind. I don't know the extent of debt that the Ghana Cocoa Board is leaving behind. I will not do this committee any good if I sit here and announce cocoa price. But as I've said, I remain a key advocate for the cocoa farmer. I will do so with the best of intention for the cocoa farmer. I recognize their sacrifices. I've spoke for them in the last 8 years, and I will continue to speak for the cocoa farmer.
And papa we say ono de e wom so ono a ene ka se cocoa na we say yen ton at the price na oka. But say you bisa na o si da bi. Ono there, he's going to be an advocate for the cocoa farmers. When now your finance minister, and a brand will be to me no can say about 26,000. Waba afraid you see that be you don't know. And I wouldn't even now can no. So there is no one that said ne cocoa kuafuesu. There is no wonder that Ghana cocoa farmers are crying. And that the Abam say Ghana cocoa farmers are willing to smuggle their cocoa outside the country. Mimia will so some and Mwakaba. She said John Mahama yendi pabonia to the point so be dear kunya bia a queer 400 wonder bia. Pacho Tieme. Campaign promise na yama no. Any panel campaign promise. ono na ye the finance minister afei de obekyerekere mu se onim ka ya boda ho na uye campaign no na unim ka ya boda ho uye campaign no na unim arrears eda kire uye campaign no na unim enura cocoa board edi silicon silicon alone no akwakoto de abagana na unim de ade ntia na bi wonum na wo ka sansem no ene wonne. This is the NDC for you. Into your Kuyanina Wusu na, I think say you are crying a crap brat. You can say koto moja and a wusu. Because it was clear, say, those promises, those huge allegations against the MPP were just empty. It was just to have the same privileges MPP amanyo kuonum paying for na omo ewo in during the time in their administration. MPP 4.4 billion na omo ministers, deputy ministers, CEOs ne why no. Eye sa adwuma no mom na NDC 4.4 paye. Na there was nothing that shows they had something different to come and show. And then
that I can assure you. But let's get to the cocoa board first and see what they have to do. I still maintain that the price they are paying the cocoa farmer is inadequate. I maintain that it's inadequate.
And Papa will say that big price in the cocoa farmer buying a Piademagana cocoa no enye. And think obi ono aka asem we ya kire we oba bedi Ghana konwa so a what were you expecting the prices of cocoa to?
And there is more room for improvement.
Thank you. Further question.
Chairman, is a nominee conceding that the 6,000 per bag he quoted on the floor of the House was a mere political statement?
The Chairman, the 6,000 Ghana cedi per bag should have been paid in the last crop year. So, Chairman, I say this because Cocoa Board is gradually turning themselves into a procurement agent just to procure inputs and denying the cocoa farmer. So they could have adjusted their formula to benefit the cocoa farmer. Very soon, the minister responsible for Agric will be in place. I commit to work with him to give the cocoa farmer a fair price. And I believe the cocoa farmer deserves a fair price. And I know His Excellency the former president quoted me previously that I had said the cocoa farmer deserves 6,100. I'm not running away from that fact. I said it on the floor, and I backed it with the world market price in the city at the time. I still maintain that the cocoa farmer deserves 6,100. I've not run away from that position.
Thank you.
Yes, and the two forces say on training whom free price no. And say Kenyan say okay. And the Obaba vice president there. So the Obaba finance minister there. You're going to make sure say the Ghana cocoa farmer get the price that you said it is the right price. A Jimmy for we be di Ghana konya ye kotu Ghana cocoa ma ye the 100 Ghana and aka home. Ghana kuya for adwa omaye what? They are all demonstrating against mahama. Mahama di bugu eko kotu mu kakra de kakra kan ho a bra ene cocoa na omoto ye no yentiaka. Listen to this video. What is happening in Ghana now to Ghana cocoa farmers? This is what happened when you allow yourself to be doctrinated by falsehood. This is what actually happened when you allow. So we jammed and throw it down. It decided your future for you are. This is what happened to you. Listen to this cocoa farmer.
No, I'm a better before Nansu up to now, Sika Mae, and I go ba Negavon Deba. Na, Ama Amuching Qua, Busumi, Nuni, Echini, Sika free baby, and I say, oh, sir, be an imber having home, Aqua Fum, Aqua Dumisa, no year Juma, Etico, Nadrabe, Hatama, Nauna, the Bana Capra, Nima, Ebufi. Maybe our basic idea not the bigger Ese ni o an ko yie kura ehwe yie ti o mo den ase ska beba na yetumi di aye adwuma no na aboy ni na o hwe a ko sika lo kope na ma oman no ipa nyina aye de wo ho ti enye kwa bia koso no bi e mo aye nketekete
2 months before say be di bro I'm a Tommy Coco, almost 5 bags. 1 bag of pet, and my mamma, and I can't even have that welcome. See, I would be intimate because of Baticran or Befa by the Befa Pafo. I see a cry intimate, I see you because Cocona, Niacona, and I first in your hat and so a moment. And see, I don't need a dream. See, I hear brepa papa.
No very money, and I got a cry. You can't cry. You're the conversion to pressure. They say, you're taking about some coffee and so today. And they say, your macro school program. Your man, woman now, but if you say, chop money and Colania. And Jesus say, a higher papa about no be on your farm. And that's idea. And a woman said, I want to make a strike. Now, so a baby will be a strike.
Ya koko sam no ye hu de aban no ka kire ya afa koko no ho nti ya sra no ye nkomo nyina ne se on kasa ne ye hu de ekọ ama ya mabufie ye sika ya de beto aduane edi kwa ye nya bi ukọ efom kopa aduane ba se be ya obenya akade atwumeko de adidi kwa bi ni ho nti ya sra no on kasa scientist one no betis one ti so ne ye hu de ekọ senso so on ti so no beto nso a mesika ne mra no yento na koko no buwa ye hu de de yenso nti yesre no onkasa maye ko wade mu emi kwa wa afumu aya ya hu adwuma
Sa ne ye de akonya wontu aka ne ye wo ho ikura ana ye beto na ama ye busisi ye sika ma no kure ni ha ye mpa che se ye magu school omo eko lower yi nso wo ho yinya wo cry ye
Sawate, enti from Akufo-Addo sika ode man kuafo no sua. Ye bania ba betone bopa. 2. Sika ni hwa ide betua kokko kuafo ka. Mini ajiban. Sawate. Woni we senyina. Ivan, Sawate. Ene John Mahama ni sika ode betua Ghana kuafo ka. After he has bastardized Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo for not buying the cocoa at 6,000 Ghana cedis, you know. And ne papa we buy and want to me and 2 man and do 6,000. Apart from that, you know, cocoa kuya 4 crown won't to mean wonka. But you were Jimmy Phobia or Monam Ghana, my muka said the economy is good. Aye. You won't cross phobia. They keep on saying the economy is good. Economy is good. That didn't ya take gold, ya take oil so our world market. The economy is good. That didn't ya dollar na ho den aba form ewo wiase mu nyina. Enti the effect on the Ghana economy no and it say dollar co form petrol ya teso amano into the economy is good. And then money akuafo mo ado koko abre wo wonsam aye adwumaden mahama ntimi ntwe omoka yesisa won koko de kwa yentua wonka ene ne yenne mahama is a whole no whole na yesi ye ne ene ne we amena na yakodam no ene ne we ene na akuafo a omo ani ahahanya omo hu de omonka. You see, NDC remains the most useless and the most incompetent, the most stupid people. Only a group of gang, only political people. These guys are gangs. Akron Fonkwa. Hey, we come. Na ye disikani biya koye investment a ye pe home faswadi. Obekom. Na kwasi ampanyi bi emfa ni randia bi ode akokra niema e ba beto nya so mfa so ansna otua won sika de ama wo because NDC amanyu ko no the second name obotum de ama omo ene konko achi konko krono create loot and share. It is their identity. That is their identity. Omobaye, they are not thinking about the good things anymore. They are not thinking about how they are going to pay a teacher for a nurse for. They are not thinking about how they are going to employ a teacher for a nurse for. They are not thinking about how before some to Messi. Ayaresabia ahodoɔ ama oyare wɔ baabi a wanya baabi akɔsa ho yadeɛ enkwase adwene wam disifoɔ ama nyoku adwene mu sɛ yɛsesa airport dini yɛsesa university dini enkwase asɛm nko a agyimi nsɛm nko a yɛsɛe ɔman na gyapadeɛ yɛsɛe ɔman ne sika. That is what they are good in. That is all what they do. And then farmers koraa no farmer, look at how you will suffer before you see one seed of cocoa. Me, masefo bebre cocoa kuyafo. I know, said a man for faso bre ansana. Omo to me, adandan kwaye brimpon amanaba beye cocoa fo. And moderne branipa ebre. Na wati ukoko na nkwasi aban bi aba na wato ukoko na onye sika mfa ntua oka bosome mienu nie na se the whole December akuafo saabre num na musika ba ma omobobra no to mahama te on sika so akuafo ntimi ani bronya akuafo ntimi anye de ese na de fata ama wona busuamfo na obeka chem se aban papa ba o ma mia ya ase aban papa ba akohifo nko a omu ya akohifo nko a none of them deserve to lead our country. They are destroying our country and nothing else. Yenko suna yenko yanim na yenkasa mfa ansem foforo ho. Asamba nko abeto abontre ne se John Mahama kromfo na yefen Mr. Hwan a okoyi no free prison. The former deputy finance minister under John Mahama, I ne oye finance minister. You say friends, I just say, Wilson, say friends. When they name the day, the bank, the governor of Bank of Ghana, friends. Papa krom fo we ne sami jamfia timi akomo ho abom. Aton Ghana gold no. Gold reserves na adwen kese ba omia nyansafo ba omia ede ba se ewo se yento gold na yemfa mo ye currency ne ho ban se de be ya ye sika no benya ho odene no agimifo no ba ye no omo ba ye no omo atumi atrase aton gold no more than half 51% se omo de $1 ho ban na busu ati asem wo yie ampi be free abai mo na dollar da 14 cedis 20 peso during MPP time during COVID and Ukraine Russia war ye koye through 15 or something or 16 I think so, but through this management by buying gold and keeping gold in the banks, you know, it me reduce ya by 14. But the incompetent one, government official one, Ato, ambulance thief, Mr. Addison, Bank of Ghana, arm robber, any Mr. Sami Jamfi, propaganda secretary. Omwatumi atenase aton Ghana gold reserve na that 8 tons wa. You would about within 3 years. Otimi pushi ye from 8 tons to 31 no. A Jimmy for ye to me atrawa ton ni na omaton half. Sikano wa here. Omo say omo de akwaji dollars about the good Bank of Ghana said the beya the demand on dollar no enye high. Now you sikan be stable. Wow, listen to this. While listening to this, we see a create, loot, and share. Sasi kanu go do no mukoton ye no. The ababonten say a percentage of maton, but the amount of money omu make from that gold no up to now ye more so adentia. Because eho ena krono no ehye ase. Eho na krono na ankasa no ehye. Ena ye can say wahu obakwasia say uyi ahwintade bi so e de kire na obeba na wate adam na odam. Brand Dr. Bomia Sha say oye gold domestic gold purchase program. Yen nyina ye wo ha ena NDC fo etwa ball papa ya. Nsem o moka fa papa ho na enya nsem keto. Ena ho hia emfa so bi ani so. Jimmy for no buy no. Inside of them to keep on buying the gold. Keeping more gold. Na ebema o mine sika na gira na nan so no. Omode de omunima ne kotobeton. Kennedy Japan style of business. Kotobeton. Aye. Kotobeton na. Jimmy for a buy no. Inside of them to purchase more gold and consolidate our bank's reserve with gold no. Omode sika no omo asesa na omo ton. Na unim de ya. It is reasonable say. Why should you have to go and sell your gold to have dollars in your banks? Abra unim se dollar. Ne buo betumi ate aba form at any time. Gold nso ne buo betumi aba form, but it is not something that happens all the time. But dollar there ochina obe sorry na da form. But this useless comics comedian a Jimmy for party will not buy and there. They are selling the reservoir. Yedi need to so and they manage your minor. They are selling it because they need money, they need liquid, they need cash in their pocket. They are not thinking about the people. And I at home. And I have yes. And a Jimmy Fubin born Munsem, and then go to our Henny be say, or not dear Numbi or Hopper, pa, Numbo se pearl, damn so wire. You were a correct Jimmy near when you never your penny Jimmy. Or him wo. The air cost a man for so for Quiafunia Sikam Funtia, Yenya Sikam Funtia Quiafucano. Or him want to make us or no, Sanyum Nefan is pearl separano. I don't know, pay. Ye mahama baso. Yes, the governor, ye fena si ama miya adua nesre medasepa Elijah adua nesre. Akromfone di anim. The Bank of Ghana is governed by a thief. The finance ministry is led by a very corrupt personality like Atu Forsen. Any other Ghana gold board are no Sami Jamfi Kromfo kese pa Ibrahim Mahama boy the Mahama ni na busua pe na oyema omo go we wie atena se ma manfo de ntroni nkontompa dada yema yasa ya paja ya kala TV e de akwakoje black and white abesi ho se ye ni age ene ne ye ne na miwia baako kan Elijah say Nanado was able to give public workers 25% increment, but Mahama now is giving them 10% to public workers. So what country is this? And people are happy. And you're very sad. You're to another dinner where we are singing now. It's a bunny where we are singing. You can't find another home. But would take you records of Enjuma another yeah. Now they compare Enjuma Sebio John Darega in just 1 year. Utimu say John Darega is very useless and the NDC will remain the most incompetent political party in the history of our dear Ghana. Enti abusian gold no eko sikano yenimba bi ewo yentwen na yenhwe se nsesan bi ba abusianfo midin ene Mr. Manfo ha Ras Media GH media aseda kese ema obi bia medabu nyina ase enemobre. Mabie phone lines no atom utumi frɛ na wakyerɛ wadwen. Abusuafo mo program bi ɛwɔ Facebook. My personal profile no obia hake nti amame ne access to my pages on the Facebook because pages mo bebre. You could have never name, but I have a lot of pages. Me publish also. Nti ama Ras Media any Canada Japan Junior na me ye me live videos me de koso ɛwɔ Facebook no. Mean to me connect and copy me some sabeka me profile no. Nti mesre wa say moi na mo hwɛ me Facebook a mo hu me no mo namfofo na mo ne mo ne o mo hwɛ me e Facebook no mo ma mo info say it's only on YouTube na me available me hwɛ sɛ me nsa betumi aka profile na nyɛ saa de ana sɛ asɛm asi enti abusua na nkabo e wo hɔ no me pese me mfa course but me pese me take advantage to greet viewers enti bra me kind comment no also betumi afa na wakyerɛ wadwen me ma me be say greetings Ras Media congratulations to us, congratulations to ourselves. Yes, that's great. Mike Vanofori say hey Ras, long time boss I did pa me ma me Elizabeth I say hey Ras me ma me be say it isn't sad that they go on vacation at Dubai and still talk trash about Muslims. Very, very sad. Imami Ezbi said that woman was wearing a Japan t-shirt for campaign. Imami Esther said, good evening, bro. And Imami Rosa, I'm watching you in Ghana. She called and she saluted everyone. Yeah. Yemia Ivan Sankama say, good evening, beautiful family. Yemami Esther friend, call. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Fu. Good evening.
Good evening to you, Mami Esther. I want to say.
Yes, so I do. So be boko.
Yankopon.
Also be as o mote wo kan.
No correct pa, no correct. No correct.
The bro nya no da su.
Da bi ya wie kura ya wie ya che.
Echi abusuafo nya no tie fo nyina.
Abusuafo nyina ajo so.
Esamafo, mami ya. Wo kana Duncan Williams ya be na me kana sem kakra.
Ethiopia. Ya kra.
On say e mana penifo amutie me mu panche me ne ma amutie me. We dey excuse my language kakra. Na ofun bi se nko ade anka me man excuse bi aba. Enim se me wani diefo a omutie wo wa fidie. Mami ya sabe taprate. Ibe bia ye the tsunami in a ho what the drag as said the baby ama the baby as convert man one no enya no of force and tiri wo kakawre but ya it is masasu ye wo wanya that ka se doctor like ma ba o ya say na mami e a Christo for no kwa wo so mo yes 75% no kwa the that people say a group of one now was 75% and a Muslim, they are minority 40%. My question is from 19 Padapa, a group of one, the two of more paid the Ghana. A dear Pana, my citizens. Mammy, as convert mammy, baby procan. Was putting in a go kasisa ho ama na wo ye bu na ma ye se koto ye bu na mo ye se koto he mo bre na mo diga na sika no mo na mo cut right because when you Duncan Williams you won don amuda sika kasiye no do bi otumi han always the whole cabinet ne na for ne half of the cabinet in the crop for the town. The kind of one brain will nya and
WWW fan form acrono.
What that there? Some crop full way. Woman the two beds in a cut right. Will you be so fair? How much have you contributed in the society? Can you make one?
Prison.
Can you make one? minority now. Won't be this over your dead body. We are telling you that he will be a present over when you are in your casket. Mommy, the day you are in your casket, they will be swearing Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia in, inshallah, for being president of Ghana. Who are you? Authority Ben and walk as a God.
I'm talking of
The
authority.
only person who can use that word as authority is the Almighty God. Because talk is cheap. And the kind of what Ghana now, mahama sama mudie. There would be another for a po or amount for so your thing.
Yeah.
So your thing. But we are not the papa. You can't say. So, the Baba Bayede. I say, I press it in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Because when you amount for our Muslim where they are about, now, or mark of first cannot with their provision, and the money been a Muslim and one a more comfortable as such as citizens. Muslim Amunian phone. Yes, mammy, that two was it. That two was so kind of authority women to president. Yes, what's why you're supporting the say? We want a change of Muslim as well. Mammy, Duncan Williams' sister. Yes, a change. We want Muslims to be a president in Ghana so we can see the difference between Muslims and Christians. Because Christians for Mabuya party. Mahama na momo kumana mahama no deep down why the cat so you huh? Duncan Williams' sister would do the same.
Is your friend Victoria Duncan Williams?
Victoria Hifa. Massive one now. For me, one of the a cabana crack a war with your bano who make us sympathy with the more money the way or money quite rough. Why you would still look at a real cemetery? Ababitra Hawkins in our authority can never be a president. Who do you think you are? Some quack. Honest, or Casa study or your frogos or your pickles or your tail. Like brother, like sister. Or like sister, like brother. Now you free. I am Coco for Mr. Mafu.
Amen.
Coco for it here in this sympathy Yama Womu. Me this sympathy back process in my woman.
I didn't hear about it.
Look, I feel their pain. But a year say, what's the year some when you pray at David River? When I mean, Ochiawaka. Check. Nanado, a camu plane at what Nash or then a bandit Nash. And another, the no go about Yana never. But a num said, that is a such a Munyansa. Mahama Katam said, Margin was short memory association. Because Mahama, what not say reading more? What not say every demo? And then what buy him for a soft to the platform of conscience, dear man.
Yeah.
Because I hate no more a media platform to a Yomuka. So what you say? What's that platform are you Yomuka? It's no answer and then Mahama question Shagalam say I say now that a media Ekata.
David will be uncomfortable.
And now more hurry. The excellency Nanado. Any excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. All men are no money more hurry because they don't care. Because money or mutia or million a year or Mupia or Musta. It is the Piano Piano or Munkari. Would the sound was fearful way? Our Mutino, it is to a Mukwana back to the map. And yes, put here or master a cotua back. Muya campaign a hood war and yet a demonstration who for it. Yeah, empty your bank. Mr. Mafu. You're done of 4 years. Nayana.
David, Nayan Kura.
The net, Yami, Yam
no. When you need Pamono.
Yes. Nana do any mudiniye, every Japan mudiniye, or buy a employer backlog was a couple of things. Ah, no, go on not on power. Nana do mudina independence for Pamunin,
And Okorepa 2015, 16. Yeah.
I think the 111 way I never next one I am with ya. Come on, you know, able to do but a number of moody and a moody man would form. What is that? But we have the first cocoa for 400,
450. 450 Ghana.
no, they are quarter to one. Hey, you want mine. And then you can say for you, you must do a mocha. Run the abbey. Why yet chance some more bro? Why you could say a year can say you put the
Akutu say boom. And you shake.
Aye. Why you say why you a dear major can not for when you look for bra? What you who could do I know about trouble for the body.
We were called for that.
The upper fun where you was not platform to commentary on who for that. What would Roma would some pictures on who walk up for Randy woman may do then some more oil. What they say? Arrogance of power.
Yes.
Now I hope say me am a bino and I may go here. I hope that piano. Ya bang a bar almost woman because then so much yet. Now I want me from what them a gun of what this your woman to. I still look at the other mahama, but what will you do now or young campaign? Because when you say Ghana for or a look at so many president to make me a bad damage. Temos mahama, and no abe. Temos mahama, and no abe. Or buy the Kutanya Sanity, or Papa, so never honesty. Mr. Marcus,
yeah, Matisa video no one sempa. Yeah.
Because on who was so bad president. Because when so much I said, look at the way I did of a cat say, your first school, your bed, I'm probably them.
Cisco a Guba. Fresh a shake.
I fear such as what if I don't know so much. Oh, much enough to tell MPP the praise, MPP that get your back. That's how more we know my best friend. Because I didn't put more the other side. I'm over we are Ghana, I'm over mobilize the Ghana cut for it. Oh, yeah, the Tia Coco, yeah, woman, I'm over so much to Coco, I'm going to take your phone. I'm almost done. What does it? I'm over so much to Coco, and it's in a almost Mukano.
Let's do a biani aboni in our tougher. What,
yeah, that's what it's all over the place there. $dollar cost from almost the identical word marketer. Yes, no. The whole word there, me buy from Johnny chocolate fan club. Many of them say the whole word, but you
and no on a some Brazil for produce good cocoa, but Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire cocoa and the best.
Almost catch me place. I almost see me accent. Not yet 2 minutes. Almost see me accent. Robert, not me can't grab it. The card, almost that's where we get our supplier from cocoa.
You see.
So what that's here. Now, not the way I know the chocolate. Not me yet because I moved the newer you bar. They had the sample up and direct. They'll send me that chocolate fan club with that. The one of my done Mammy. And I'm free. More the time because Ghana chocolate, Ghana cocoa, and it is the best.
Yeah, the best quality. Yes. It is fun.
That's so almost that and perform with one buy. Also, move your cocoa and the market. Or move by your sama, a prayer, papa, for another prayer, and your cocoa come at the mouth. Or move by your because mahama is here, Galamton, no person in Ghana, assassin, for no. One month now, Emma, that's the way system. One moment now, or more cafe. Cocoa no, MPP for that price is 30,000. But Moko fit say, and then do 31,000. Moko fit that must be a moment, Mamma. Look at Tom say, MPP for Cocoa 70,000. No much Ababa to 30,000. I'm about more. That's how I'm kind. They say, what is happening? Me, I'm a crumb for Ghana for that the poison ever boom to. And this is the point to Mamma Moon. I'm all wipe out one day because Martinano is so Martinano. What the moment now, a Mudomo, I fit a na only MPP and a bit of Magana. Down for 4 weeks, Omudiano, the Uncle 4 abroad when Yanomupa, for my Baba, Abba, how more much say, or Mother poor Mapo, much Yaman for the Patia or my year. And this what is right from the founder. Oh, right from the founder, almost struggle, almost just say, Chrono Qua, Samafu, and then, for a day, Apple. It's a manubestia, maybe say, maybe Philly, any Yama woman, but at my
Baby.
it's what Phil said, and you have money for first for the man woman for first for the bueno, we are sure that Ghana for Musa and down for the same way. Don't be repeat your mamma like Dr. Mahmoud Bow, Yamba, and one repeat Uncle Fan, one more decision. I hear one more month about goodness. Sometimes they are not for Mukra, because you got there, Mr. Mafo, life, you got to move on.
Yeah, of course. Always.
Life, you got to move on. Think of your children. Hey, now would there be another set to what to say? Huh? And there be another set one way. And there be another set WhatsApp and system, more bravo and costo. For Mamma, I'm the crumb for Ghana, Mahama would be one.
When you want to buy.
Good night, Papa.
But I see baby, mama.
Bye.
Yeah, mommy, Esther, and I'm telling Cano. I have wished for my beautiful last not to. Was to me, friend, watch the water. Come on, now you're queer name. I phone license your beard them. But now, me and check a crema my tea for. I mean, I just went to there was stress. Yeah, but you pa, and I na taya kwabena. I machia also ye pa. Elijah Machiao, and I wish was somebody wants to Machiao. I mean, even Sankama Machiao ye pa. Mimi Joseph, Machia wants to ye pa. Why be him? Yama Miss Salome, Machiao ye pa. And Yemi Panisa Monocuno wants to Machia Mammy Rose Machia pa. Imami Miss B, Machiao ye pa. Mimi say Anthony Machiao. Mark Van Ofori Mechiao, Elizabeth Asana Mechiao so yepa. Mema me Diana Pia. Also Mechiao yepa. I think say no calls are coming in. So I will end the show here and make sure say Ochananso Ankopon Eboyen Emma Ahoden Ba. Your pon Juma after 8 you be life. You be life na so the ababetum. And it himself Friday, Wednesday, and Monday. Yeah, not bringing your life, but yes, you're there because and you know my say I bring your banner. Yes, you're my life when you're fit into the year. We will keep on doing our things, even though when the big men are alive. You know, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. No, I will also be here. Saturdays and Friday, I will see how I'll manage it. And tell me the money na semester say, but more than I like video no mame. Share video no mame. Na unsubscribe to the channel no so na wa subscribe na odo nsa so si adoma so se be am ba live for obenya notification se maba na wa be join me na ye no nyina e de dwumadie no abra ye ho me da mo nyina ase until we meet again adios.